This is a simple diagram of the homeostasis system. Shivering is also a way to regulate body temperature. Shivering occurs when muscles receive messages from the thermoregulatory center of the brain that causes muscles to contract. This is like exercising or the owl flapping its wings. So, the rapid contraction of muscles during shivering results in heat being produced during respiration. This would cause increase in metabolic rate, allowing it to increase the rate of respiration, causing more ATP made, which means heat will be made as well. This would help in the regulation of the owl's body temperature. Going back to the homeostasis diagram, when the body temperature of the owl decreases through disruptions such as weather from the external environment, the owl will receive this message through the thyroxines. Thyroxines are hormones in the body that detects temperature and also adjusts the rate of metabolism. When the thyroid hormones are cold, they will be underactive. The underactive thyroxines will send a signal to the hypothalamus. Once the hypothalamus receives the signal from the hormone, another signal is sent back to the muscles, telling them to start moving rapidly in order to create heat. As a result, the temperature will rise and regulate again to its normal body temperature. Panting. Even though snowy owls are located in cold conditions, the body temperature could also increase above its average body temperature. This could happen from external disruptions such as fevers. Birds, unlike humans, don't sweat through their skin, so in order for itself to cool down its own body temperature, it would start panting. When panting happens, the owls would open its mouth and provide increased airflow through quick and short breaths. Because of the increased rate in breathing, it would lead to an increase in evaporation in the upper respiratory tract. This will be like sweating, making water evaporate from the mouth instead of the skin by releasing heat. Now going back to the diagram again, when the temperature increases, the thyroid hormones will become overactive. This signal will be sent to the control center of the bird, which is a hypothalamus in the brain. Once the hypothalamus receives a signal from the hormone, another signal is sent which leads to quick breathing and therefore panting. As a result, the body temperature will drop and regulate again to its normal temperature. So, some of us may wonder, why go through this complicated process? Well, obviously, going through this complicated process will lead to many advantages. It won't be done without a point. Like I said before, the body processes must require a certain temperature in order for reactions to occur. One of the reactions is mitosis. We all know mitosis is a duplication of somatic cells, so that means it is due to mitosis that we grow in size and that we repair any damaged parts of our bodies. Another process that would require temperature is meiosis, which is a duplication of sex cells. Now, the duplication of sex cells means that there will be more gametes in the testes and the ovaries. So, this is important because the sex cells will eventually be made into offsprings this would keep the owl from extinction.